and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this fall eye look. I'm going to be using two of the Colourpop palettes. I'm going to be using the Yes Please palette and the CHIC-Y palette from the palette-CHIC-Y collection. So as always, I've already done my eyebrows off camera. I've already prepped my eyelid, and I'm going to go into the the Yes Please palette. I'm going to use the Morphe G17 fluffy brush, and I'm going to get into this shade right here. Just going to pick up a little bit on that brush, and I'm going to build it up. I'm going to work it just into my crease, and I'm going to pull it all the way in. Just going to kind of blend it outwards. Okay, now that I've built up that color to where I want it, I'm going to go in with a BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. It's just a flat brush, flat fluff brush. And I'm going to pick up this right here. And I'm just going to work this on my lid just to kind of be like a base for the darker brown that's going to go on. So I'm just going to kind of tap it all over the lid. Okay, now that I have that down, I'm going to get into this shade. With that same BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and I'm just going to press it on my eyelid. This has kind of a maroonish undertone, and I'm wanting that brown undertone, so I'm gonna blend this out real quick, and then I'm gonna go into the palette-CHIC-Y collection and use her brown, because that one's a little bit more dark brown. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this CHIC-Y palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here. I'm going to pick it up on that BH Cosmetic number 8 brush on the back side, and I'm just going to pat this color down on my eyelid as well. Okay, now I'm just going to go back in with the fluffy brush and blend it out. Okay, now that I have that blended out, I'm going to pick up my the BH Cosmetics flat fluff brush, the number 8. I just kind of wiped it down. It looks like that. And I'm going to go back into the Yes Please palette, and I'm going to pick up this metallic shade right here, and I'm just going to put it in the middle of my eyelid. Just gonna kind of tap it on there. Okay, now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara and go ahead and put on my falsie. Okay, now that I have on my falsies, I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean up underneath. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfection Primer. Just going to put a little bit on my hands.
Illuminator and just put a little bit on my cheeks.
The lashes that I've been using are the Ardell Wispies. These are just the original feathered lash. They look like this. They're okay for like everyday wear, but if you're trying to do like a glam look, I mean you can see them still, but I like the Wispies. I think the 707 or something like that. They're just a lot more fuller than these, but I mean, they'll do for now. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna go into the Maybelline FitMe Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And I'm just gonna take that with my beauty blender and just work that into my skin. Okay, now that I have my foundation on, I'm gonna go into the concealer, Maybelline FitMe in the shade Medium. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some of the, where's it at? Where's my shape tape? Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Shape Tape Tarte Concealer. This is in light medium honey, and I'm just gonna use this to highlight a little bit. Just gonna kind of keep it on my cheekbone, cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, and just right here. I'm just gonna kind of work that in. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop concealer in the shade Deep Golden, and I'm gonna use this to contour my face. I'm gonna take my Morphe Y11 and I'm just gonna buff this out. Okay, now that I have that worked in, I'm going to take my Colourpop setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm just going to dip my beauty blender in it and press it underneath my eyes to set all the cream products. Okay, now that I've let that set for about 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and dust away any loose powder. Okay, Now I'm going to take that Yes Please palette and I'm going to take a flat brush. Just something like this. And I'm going to go underneath my eye. Clean it off. Okay, I'm going to take this metallic shade and I'm going to run it underneath my bottom eyelash. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the, in the cheeky palette, I'm going to take a little bit of this brown and just kind of work it halfway in. Okay, I went ahead and did my waterline with a brown eyeliner. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, after I applied my mascara, I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to take it on this Morphe E25 brush. It looks like that. And I'm just going to kind of go over where I contoured my face. Take the smaller end and contour my nose real quick. Okay. I'm gonna take my butter bronzer, and this is in deep bronzer. I'm gonna take it on a P12 brush. I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm gonna take the Laura Geller blush. This is in Blush and Brightened. Looks like this. Has like a shimmer to it, but it has such, it's like a pretty light pink. Okay. And then I'm going to use this highlight. This is called Moon Dust. I'm not sure who. I got it in a little Ipsy bag. I'm going to take that to highlight the high points of my face. I'm going to take it on a Morphe Y13 fan brush. And I'm just gonna highlight. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the Tarte Ready Set Radiant setting spray and just lock all this into place. Okay, for my lip color, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop palette-CHIC-Y collection lip pencil in the shade Mamacita, and I'm going to line my lips. Okay, and then I'm gonna fill it in with the Colourpop that's the palette-CHIC-Y collection, and it's in the shade Softy. Okay, guys, this is the finished fall glam look. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want any other looks or any other tutorials on anything else, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thanks, guys.